So you've heard all about Scholastic's new virtual book fair option, and you think it's exactly what your school needs right now. But how do you set it up? What's the best way to promote it? And how do you get kids and parents just as excited about the fair as they would if it were in person? Hi, I'm Bekah, and in this video, we're going to make sure that your first virtual fair is a success with our top 4 tips to help your school earn a ton of rewards. As you can see from my home classroom here, I'm a teacher, which means I love to prep. So let's get started by making sure that you're ready to launch. First, you're going to want to generate your personal book fair homepage link by signing into your Chairperson Toolkit. This is how you make sure that kids and parents are shopping through the correct link so that your school gets all those rewards. And keep that link handy on your desktop, your smartphone. You never know when someone is in need of a little book joy and you have just the thing. Take it from an elementary school teacher. There are few things that get my students more excited than the book fair. And you can build that same anticipation for your virtual fair too. A week before, spread the news by sharing save the dates through your email and social profiles. Just imagine how many of your contacts will be thrilled to find out there's a book fair option that's safe, fun, and easy. And speaking of easy, Scholastic has collected email templates and promotional images, making it a cinch to get the word out. You can find them in the promotional guide to a successful fair. And if your school is following a hybrid schedule, you'll be getting a planning kit with great posters and other classroom materials. Get the whole school involved. Could your teachers post on their virtual classroom portals? Maybe administration would post on the schools or districts' websites. It's little asks like this that could make a big difference once your fair is open. It's go time. Your virtual book fair is open. So tip number 3 is promote, promote, promote. The virtual fair is an amazing experience, so you'll want to promote every day until the book fair closes. So be creative, be resourceful. Ask your principal if they wouldn't mind sending a letter to parents to help get the word out. We have a template for that too, by the way. Just add your link, fair dates, and it's ready to go when they are. Teachers like me can also help by giving their kids a tour of your virtual fair, showcasing the cool features you can only get through the virtual experience, like author interviews and book trailers. One of the best things about book fair is empowering kids to pick and purchase their favorite stories for themselves. Kids can experience that same thrill at the virtual fair through Scholastic's Ewallet. It's safe, cashless, and easy to set up. An Ewallet account can be opened right at your book fair page. Then parents, grandparents, friends, and relatives, they can all contribute to a child's Ewallet to keep their book joy alive. Teachers can also set up wish lists for their classrooms. Be sure to check out our video all about Ewallet to get more details. So that's it. 4 simple tips to guarantee that your virtual fair is a success. And if you use one or more of those tips, Scholastic will give you even more dollars towards your school.